Annyeonghaseyo, Queenie.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay. Bago ka ligo, asam ka pa doon?
Dirira.
Dirira, amo school. Ay, yung klase, unsa oras imong klase?
5 to
5 to 4. Okay. So, I'm here to deliver 1,000 pesos for your uniform, school uniform. You will buy, take a video nga napalit na niyo. Okay. And that is from SG Nim.
SG Nim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo. Okay, good morning. Gatapok gid mong tanan. Okay, so I'm here to deliver for Chanel. You have 2,000. Please kuha inday. 2,000 pesos. Inday lang. Okay. And for Teacher Rika, 1,000 pesos. Okay. And for Jocelyn, 500. Jane, 500. Princess Kungju, 500. And Phoebe, 500. And lastly, Andrea, 500. Okay. And that is all from Isangwanim.
Isangwanim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver the 4,000 pesos for your dental treatment. Okay, you will go together with Teacher Angie and you will do cleaning. Okay ra? Cleaning your teeth ha. And Teacher Angie will get the estimate for dental treatment. Okay. Magkuyog mo duha inday ha adto mo sa dentist. Okay, and that is from Gegom Durinim.
Gegom Durinim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay, please report to Sir Vicky pilang magasto getcher. Okay. And also 2,000 pesos for pocket money. Pocket money na nyo hindi ha. Or saan buhaton pa, pliti-pliti or anything ha. Okay. And that is from Amagetonim.
Amagetonim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. I have here Yana with me. Yana will now be moved to regular class, to the third class. Congratulations. And I will be testing her reading skills today. So we have here this book, learning about colors. Okay.
Poldy and the birds flew long away. They flew over the mountains and the seas. The wheat dug at Poldy's hat and pulled at his straw hair. First of all, it made his eye water. Do you think we could land and have a rest? He said at last.
Sakit mo. Ano man lang yung kanta?
Sure. We'll be landing soon, announced Crow. Far below them, thick forest stretched as far as the eye could see. But where shall we land?
But where shall we land?
But where shall we land? Asked Poldy as he searched the ground for a small, clear space on a tree. Of course, snapped Seagull. Oh, there, said Poldy, who had never landed on a tree in his life. The birds dived down and landed on the cushion of leaves. 1, 2, 3. but Goldie tumbled right through the cushion of leaves and landed bump on the forest floor. It was very dark in the forest. It was very dark indeed.
Indeed.
Indeed. Where are you, Goldie? Called the birds. It's very dark down there. Goldie rubbed his eye. He couldn't see a thing.
Thing.
Peep-oo, said a voice. Goldie saw a flash of yellow. Peep-oo, said the voice. Goldie saw a flash of red. Peep-oo, said the voice. Goldie saw a flash of blue. Peep-oo, said the voice. Goldie saw a flash of green.
Very good, Yana. So congratulations, you will now be moved to regular class together with your Auntie Jelly and Ashley. Congrats. Right. Fighting?
Fighting.